Hi guys, good morning. We're here again. Okay, this is tutorial number 3 on the cutoff punches. We're using double jab cross to learn how to travel in the 4 directions. Tutorial number 1 was forward with the double jab cross. Tutorial number 2 was moving to your left, the double jab cross. Tutorial number 3 will be moving to your inside, jab, jab, cross. Okay. The goofy thing about moving to your inside or backwards is you need to load your outside leg, and it's usually your rear leg, unless you do switch, which I recommend, but that's later. All right, so what you want to practice doing with this is, again, it's easier to understand it off a catch jab, but what you're doing when you throw your first jab is you're loading your back leg and then 1-2. Makes sense? So you're landing on a compression spring. If you were in a ring boxing, you would be doing that off a rhythm, but if you're in a self-defense situation, you won't have that luxury of having the rhythm already going, but you need to understand what to do. So when you go to throw that jab, you jab, jab, cross, okay? So if I'm standing the camera, I'm going to want to start turning to my right, which is my inside, okay? So I jab, jab, cross, all right? So this is just a methodology of practice moving in the 4 directions. You can throw anything you want, but double jab cross is a good tool to practice it with, okay? Now, the cutoff part, okay, when you jab, jab, cross, drop, okay, or drop. You're doing a drop step when you cut off. What that means is you're literally letting your body weight fall to that leg. Okay, so if I go jab, jab, cross, now if I want to move to my left or my opponent is trying to sweep out to my outside, okay, which would be to my extreme left, I'm going to step and drop simultaneously with my left leg to make a spring so I can hop with a cutoff wide hook or slap. When I do it to this side, after the cross, I'm going to land this way. Most of the time, myself, I will switch my feet to put that side forward so I can end up in an elbow control position on the other side. Some guys do, some guys don't. But when you shift, you are switching feet momentarily because you're going from your back to your front. 1-2, okay? Okay, so what it looks like, real quick. The first will be to the left. I'll be cutting off to my left side. So I go jab, jab, cross, drop, boom, 1-2, okay? Now when I cut off to my right, I'm going to be switching my feet, because my rear is going to become my front. Okay, so jab, jab, cross, step, 1-2. Okay? All right. As you can see, it's pretty much the same thing as tutorials 1 and 2. Now, it just gives you an emphasis of going to your inside, which is a little bit goofy for a lot of folks, because you need to concentrate on your back leg, making a spring off your back leg. If you watch a lot of boxers that keep their weight on their front knee or their front leg, it's good to keep your weight in between your legs, in between your knees. Emphasize the back leg for a spring. Okay, all right, thank you very much. Have a good day.